Imagine having the hiccups, not for minutes, not for hours, but for a lifetime. Charles Osborne, an American farmer, holds the record for the longest hiccuping spree in history. It started in 1922, after he injured himself while trying to weigh a hog. From that day on, he hiccuped every few seconds, and it didn't stop. Doctors estimated he hiccuped over 430 million times in total. The strange part? He lived a full life, working, marrying twice, and even raising children. Then, after 68 long years, in 1990, the hiccups suddenly stopped. Just 1 year later, Osborne peacefully passed away at age 97. A story both bizarre and inspiring, proving that even life's strangest challenges can be endured.